The Mirage 2 MATX PC case offers a stunning 270-degree panoramic design, enhancing both aesthetics and accessibility with its tool-free tempered glass panel. Equipped with a vertical airflow system, this case supports up to 7 fans, ensuring efficient cooling from bottom to top for optimal thermal management. The pre-installed 5 120mm fans, along with a 1-to-4 splitter cable, provide excellent ventilation and are strategically placed for maximum cooling efficiency. Designed with a 5-slot PCIe layout, the Mirage 2 improves GPU compatibility and enhances the available cooling space, making it a versatile choice for various builds. Full-size magnetic dust filters on the top, bottom, and right side of the case ensure clean airflow and facilitate easy maintenance, keeping your system in pristine condition. The case includes pre-locked copper standoffs and a removable HDD tray, along with an installation tool, making the setup process straightforward and convenient.